Hello everyone, Tycoon Bob here. This is a quick video just to show off my Dell C1100. It's this top server here. You can see it's just a 1U. I've had some questions about the noise of it, and I want to see how well I can make a video to show you how loud it is. The noise you hear right now is actually this server running. It's my 4-unit server, storage server, and I've got 2 servers down below. And I've got another one over there, another 4U. So I've got 4 4Us running in this room right now. All with, they each have 3 120mm fans and 2 80mm fans. They're powerful fans. They're some of the top air-pushing fans that you can find on Newegg. I can link them below if you are interested in finding out what fans I have running. But overall, it's not all that loud in here. I am going to plug in the Dell C1100 I have here. Just so you know, this has 2 quad-core Xeon L5520s. They're quad-core hyper-threading, low voltage, and it's also got 36 gigs of RAM. I've also got a 160 gig boot drive and 2 3TB drives in the server that are mirrored for VM storage. So I have 3 7200 RPM spindle drives also in this server. So I'll give you a second just to hear how quiet things are right now, then I'll go plug it up and power it on. Okay, now I'm going to plug it up. It's now plugged in. It has not been turned on, but you can see it's got some of the lights it does. It does its power checks or whatever it does. I don't know what it does, but here in a second I'll be able to hit the power button and power it on. I will admit that it is pretty loud when it's powered on, but it does quiet down to a very tonable level. It doesn't really add any noise to my home office here. I think if you're going to put this in a closet or in your basement or something, you'll be just fine with it. I think it'll be too loud for somebody to have in their bedroom by their head. That's just my personal opinion. Yes, these are sitting on the floor in my home office right now, which is only temporary until I build my server closet out in the garage. Then everything will be in there. But enough talking, let's power it on. Hit the power button right here. That is full fan speed. And it'll slowly step down. It's already starting to. been about 2.5 minutes, and it's still quieting. It's getting quieter. It's just about to its normal level. And by now the server is booted up. It's running server 2012 standard. It's fully booted up by now. About 3 minutes in. Just about there. Just went down another notch. Went down another. Went down another. Went down another. 4.5 minutes. Went down another. It might go down 2 or 3 more. It's getting kind of hard to notice for me, but this is the sound that it's normally at when it's running. Prior to this video, it had been powered on and running for over 20 days. The ambient temperature in my house is about 66 degrees. That's usually where I keep it, between 66 and 68. In this room, with all these running, it probably gets between 70 and 72. But if the lady likes to turn the heat on and let it get up to about 74 in the house, and it gets about 76, 78 in here, this will get a little bit louder. Of course, the fans are PWM fans on a thermostat. But as long as the overall room is low 70s, high 60s in temperature, it's as quiet as it is right now. It took about 5 minutes to quiet down. I'm standing right behind the camera, and it's hard to determine the sound, where the sound is coming from. I believe it's quieter than my storage server. But there you have it. I mean, for 400 bucks, 36 gigs of RAM, 16 threads. I've got about 18 virtual machines running on it. Most of them are Windows VMs. Some of them are Linux, so they're lightweight. But overall, the server is being utilized about 3/5 of the way, RAM-wise, and probably 1/4 of the way CPU-wise. But it's no louder than my other servers. And again, as long as it's not in a bedroom, I think it'll do just fine. If you have any questions, just hit me up.